Just finishing off a corporate arrangement, today being Monday, so just getting that ready. Want something long lasting, a bit vibrant, but still fits with the store. So I'm almost there. I'm just adding a bit of greenery just for a bit of feature flower. Been using this gum a lot. It's very straight, which is really handy. So I can keep the lines of the bouquet and it doesn't move around too much. Just so it's not too messy, but it's a bit more organized. Here's this week's bouquet. Love the match carrier, looks really nice. And I thought I'd just add a bit of eucalyptus to the sides. I'm going to try and stick everything very low, just so it looks like it's sprouting out of the vase. So more of an aesthetic than a technical. And when you do see them, it does pop out the bouquet a bit more. I think they'll look really lovely for this week's arrangement. So I'm just going to cut it a bit shorter. Here's our lovely pot that we're going to use. And that just should sit really nicely. I'm just going to add some flower food. I usually don't use it, but because they don't change the water very often, it's better that it's in there and it can last a bit longer without changing water. But it should be fine just to get through a whole week, so I'm not too concerned. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I would talk about the art of creating beautiful balanced arrangements. And I thought no better way to do it than create one right now. Most important idea of a bouquet is creating and achieving balance in your bouquet. And there's a few ways that we can do that. And the easiest tip that I can give you is just working with odd numbers. So as you see here, I've got 3 and 3s. I occasionally add an even number, but we sort of just spread it around and I'll give it a nice balance, a nice volume. I guess another way to start is that an imbalanced bouquet, we have a feeling that one side is heavier than the others. And then we try to make sure that everything merges together into a nice, beautiful array. Just making this on the spot, so I'm just thinking about the bouquet and the shape that I want to create. I sort of want to make all the colours look harmonious together. Using lovely spray roses. Don't be afraid to adjust the flowers just so they can stick at different points. Adding the snapdragon is just to make a taller element. Might just move this carnation. Oh, it broke on me, so I have to get another one. So now I've got the overall shape. And I'm just going to add one more carnation and then I'm just going to play around with the heights a little bit. And then we just want to keep accentuating the idea of volume. And all the flowers chosen work really well together, and that orange really pops well with the pink. And maybe we might just trim a few of the eucalyptus, but so far I think it really works well together. And there you have it, our bouquet builder journey packed with tips and tricks, creating balance, masterpiece of this creation, contemporary colours and enticing textures for the customer. I hope you feel inspired to unleash your creativity. When using even numbers, I found that by changing the position of each flower helps rather than putting it all in one cluster. So spreading it around and putting things at different heights extend your bouquet. For larger bouquets, we can divide it into 3 equal parts, vertically and horizontally. And this becomes the trick of the rule of thirds. And then it's visual in all aspects of your bouquet.